Hello, welcome back to Blender Live. In this episode, I will be demonstrating this script that's using the point cloud visualizer. So you need this add-on. You need to install this add-on first, and this modified script by Record 3D developer can load your point cloud data. So I have the PLY data over here. Let's try the iPad one. Basically, this is the name of the folder, and we just need to paste it here. So it's pointing at the correct folder. So the instruction is over here. Execute this script, do this once, and then load recorded sequence of PLY. Just run these commands at the bottom, and then just run it. So it should be loading how many? I have 100. So this is what I've done, recorded earlier, 445 frames of point cloud, and should take a few minutes, actually a few seconds. This file size often pretty big. The nice thing about this script is that it's gonna load it as a sequence of empty. And if we play it back, you can see my hands. This is actually point cloud. And the point cloud is loaded and animated frame by frame. So the visibility is animating. So you can make all of them visible at the same time if you turn on this visibility and then shift click on the eye over here. Now you can see all the point cloud being recorded. Okay, so let's play back this one more time. So this is like 445 frames. Okay, the nice thing about this also that while this one is showing, which one is this? This guy. So while this one is showing, we still use the point cloud visualizer and adjust the display, the number of points being displayed, and you can change the size of point cloud. And okay, it says missing vertex normal. All right, so we have position. We can actually render this out or convert it into something like a cube. Let's try this and just convert it. Hopefully this doesn't take too long time. So this will generate a cube mesh for every point. It can be quite large. Okay, it's done already, which is pretty cool. So the resulting point cloud mesh is this guy. So that's from frame 308. And if you want to add shader, create a new shader. This guy still have vertex color coming from point cloud. So as for now, Blender point cloud object is still being worked on, but we have this ability to just get the voxelized version of this point cloud data. It's not perfect. I mean, it can be, but it's pretty good. I mean, the point cloud from this, I'm using the iPhone. You can use Kinect or iPad Pro. This is the Face ID scanner. With Lidar, the resolution will be even less. However, this I think looks pretty nice. In fact, if you like to remesh this guy, you can do that. Let's see if I just use remesh modifier, this will turn into mesh, but we lost the color, however. So, but you can always kind of transfer it. So I make the voxel size smaller and smooth the shading, so it will be clever enough. Okay, see, this is the final result. It's not bad, I think. We can go even higher resolutions. So with Record 3D script that's based on point cloud visualizer, we can actually batch remesh each one of these empty object. So this is just a single frame, like I said, but I think it's still kind of interesting workflow. So hopefully, yeah, you find this interesting and useful. Give it a try yourself. Let's save this very quickly. I actually tried recording the iPhone and the iPad. So I'm using two devices and trying to combine the two together. Okay, I think it doesn't seem to load it properly. Yeah, supposedly there's something showing here, but anyway, yeah, I tried to record it from the front and back and then try to get a 3D of my hands, but currently I think we only get a single surface like this. Oh, the point cloud is not loading because we might need to reload it. Where is it? This guy. Repro. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Anyway, that's basically the workflow. You load it using this script. I might give you the script later, but you still need the point cloud visualizer add-on for this to work. Alright, so thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.